Welcome to lecture series. Today's topic is calculating resistance both in series and in parallel. If you look at this diagram, right? So we have points A, B, C and D. This is B. Okay, so A, B, C and D, right? And we have to calculate the resistance between A and C first and then B between A and D. Okay, for A and C. So it means that we have to calculate resistance from this point till this point. So how many ways we can do this? Okay, so between A and C we can see that this is, if it's A, so the ways that are possible between A and C is that first of all we can go directly from here to here, that we have shown from this point. Then there are two ways possible. First is from going from this to this. These two resistors are in series then. Similarly, going from here till here, these two resistors are in series. So writing it down, now what we have? We have these three in parallel. This is in series, this is in series, right? So how we will be writing this? So it will be 1 divided by 1 plus 6 plus 6, this part, then 1 over 6, this part, then 1 over 6 plus 6. Okay, getting the final answer, if I solve it further, I am getting what? I am getting 3.0 ohm. This is part A. Now coming to part B. Part B says between A and D. Now if I look A and D, we can go directly from here. First part, second part could be like this. This is the second part, and the third part is this one connecting to the main part, that is D. So how we will be calculating this part B? If I draw the series between A and D, right? So simple, A going directly to D. I am writing it over here, going D, or it can be two resistors, or it can be, now if I look at it in the diagram, I will come to know that if I am going from here, this is connecting to this terminal. So this is coming before this point, before this resistor. So then the third diagram, it will be 6, and this is connected to this. So this is in parallel to these two. Okay, after making the diagram, we can have it, I can write it like this: 1 divided by, first of all the easier part, 1 over 6, that is the straight line, this point straight, this is in parallel, plus now 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 6. Why 6 plus 6? I am talking about these two. These two are parallel, right, to this. So 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 6, this is in conjunction to a resistor that is in series. Okay, so this is the tricky part that we have to solve. After coming and after calculating all the values in this, we are getting the final value, that is 3.75 ohm. Right, just to recap that how we did this is the example, right? From A to D is 6, so I have written 1 over 6. Now for this, the second part, we have another thing that is in parallel, so that's why I put 1 over 6 in parallel. This is, and 1 over 6 is also in parallel. Then which is in series, this 6 in series in both of them, right? This whole circuit is in series with this resistor, so that's why I write 6 over here, adding them, and we are getting the final answer, that is 3.75 ohm. This is the end of this session. Hope you guys have understood this.